Oh, this is lipstick. Oh my, I think this is a nice color. I don't use lipstick though. I only use like tint. Oh, another one. Yeah. Oh, cute. Tinapon na. Ang cute. Tapon. Next is this one. Maybelline again. Maybelline, baka naman. Super Cushion. Ultra Cover Cushion. Sun Beige. I am not sure if this is my color. It's a bit dark. But let's see. I like this cushion. Like, there's a button. Like, this is what I meant cushion. I like this in my face. Kasi I feel like it's really there. Like, it's packed. Simple. I am not sure this is mine. This is from my cousin. Oh, this is from my cousin. This is for you, Cassie. For you, Olivia. Akala ko naman sa akin to. Yung pala hindi. Olivia. Cassie. Yeah. Akala ko sa akin to. Never mind. Okay, thank you. Oh, this one. This moisturized petal toner. We wear pink every day. Any day. Royal Honey Essence. Queen Bee is coming through. Ooh. Charcoal cleansing foam. Ooh, wake up, darling. I'm fabulous. Yes. And try natin yan sa next video ko. So, panawin. Fight, cleanse, and lightly hydrate. Okay. We'll try this in the next video. This, I don't know because it's a Japanese word. Let's open. What is this? What? Do you make a bird? What's this? Scents? Deodorant? Inaamoy yung plastic. Oh, you have to remove it. Oh, this one. I know this one. This is a liquid. Love, Beauty, and Planet. With coconut oil and yang aroma. Coat and repair shampoo. Ooh, shampoo. Ooh. Face mask. Another face mask. What is this? Water sleeping mask. Another moisturizer. Back. Hey. Back. Hey. Ang light ko. Ang cute. Come on, Babylons. Everybody, let's go. Knowing you can do it. Diba? Kaso wala na kasi school eh. Sa college ko pa ito pwede gamitin. Next is this. What? This is nice. This is very nice. But it's only it only has one mask. Bakit ganito? For the dry or all skin, oily skin. But I don't have oily skin. Next is this. Yes! My sunscreen has arrived. White Beauty Glow UV cream. I really need sunscreen because I'm not wearing my sunscreen right now because I don't have one. I want to have sunscreen because you should wear sunscreen even you're inside of your house kasi mga UV rays like UV lights, stuff which is there's this one to cool down your scratch. This for eyeballs. Grabe naman, ma. Sobrang laki ng package. Tapos ganito naman. Galing. Yung hindi na ito ay basta if like malaki ang package tapos maliit lang ang ganito, you only need to use a little bit. Next! This is lip balm. Lip balm, lip balm. What is this? Ang cute! Amoy niya. Ano ba yun? Bubble tea. There's bubble tea. There's Fanta. There's Coca-Cola. And there's Sprite. Syempre, it's not all for me. I'm gonna ask my cousin if she likes one. Next is this. It's so cute. It's for my tum-tum. This one, another one, Mika. This is an exfoliation gel. No need to wash off. It removes dead skin. Okay lang. I hope. Yes, I need exfoliation because I know my skin is so dry and it needs to exfoliate. The skin is still there. Oh, lifting pearl mask. Basta may mask, kukunin ko at ito-try ko. Next is this one. It's so big. Wow! Ang bigat! Painting ka lang, men. Pero ang bigat. Next is oh my, ang laki mo. Now, malaki. Ang malaki, ang ganda. Ang cute. Ang laki ng sketchbook. Ang laki ko ng Facebook. Wow! Ay! Thank you. Oh yes! Earrings! Singlet. Ang heavy niya. Ang bigat niya, men. Wow.
Let's find my buta.
Huh? Okay, next.
Sana!
Wow. Ang ganda. Ang cute ko dito. Oh my gosh, yung feeling ko. Napipil ko ng beauty ko siya. Let's try this.
Nawawala ang buta. It's simple. Yes, it's simple. I like it. I like cooking right now. There's like something hanging on my ear. And then my other piercing will be like this naman.
I have 5 piercing on my ears. I have 2 piercing here, 1 and 2, and then 3 piercing here, 1, 2, and 3. Can you see that? Ta-da! Feeling ko talaga siya. Next is aloe vera. Yes! I love aloe vera. I have aloe vera shampoo. I have aloe vera face wash, aloe vera moisturizer, and yeah, that's it. Basta, I really like aloe vera. And aloe vera lotion. Basta aloe vera, yes. Next, I don't know what's this. I didn't open this. But it says like sponge and brush cleanser. gold, 24K gold. I have like this, but it's such a shade. Oh, yeah, it gives like this, like this mine. Oh, it's extra. Then it has this one. Yeah, why is it? Oh, can you see that? That right there, that's gold. I don't know how to use this. I only use this one, and then it's like this cream, and then you just rub it. But this one is black. Let's just see in the next video na lang. I think tatawa talaga kayo. This one. What's this? Yes! Fish hat. My cousin has like this. I told my mom to buy for my cousin like this because she likes to have like this. You can use white in every outfit. Hey, what's up? I don't know why is it here, but this is my favorite snack in Singapore. Next is this one. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So you're gonna see me wearing this. I'm just gonna pictorial with it. Button on. That's so cute. And another one. Yeah. This is a dress. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is cute. You can't see it, but I'll picture it. Next is this. This is, I saw this. It says, is it a tape? Or like, am I smelling the product? Ang sweet ng shit. Sorry for my bad words, but first of all, I thought it was a candle. But no. Oh my gosh, it is a candle. I thought that it wasn't a candle, and I am right, it's a candle. It's a champagne toast made with essence oil, white bar. Oh my gosh, I read white bar. I didn't continue like looking at it because I want it to be a surprise for me. But oh my, bango niya. It's like, oh my god, it smells like sweet. It smells dessert. Next is bio treatment. Another bio naman. Bio essence. Incense in oil reduces appearance of scars and smooth dry skin. Yes, I do this. Because I have a scar right there. You can see. That's it. Oh, I have that. But this is nice. This is thank you. So, kailangan man natin bilisin kasi full storage na. Okay. So, this is a hydration, polyhydrated, blah, 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 for dry and reactive skin. So, this is for your face. Duh. This, I'll save this for later because this is so good. So touchy. Touchy! Okay, this is lip balm. Lip balm. Aloe vera. Another aloe vera. Next is power bank. I am not sure if this is for me or for my aunt. I don't know. Whose name is it? Colleen? Okay, I'm not sure. I'm gonna ask my mom if kanina ba talaga to. Is it for me or like someone else? Yeah. Okay, kailangan ko na talaga bilisin kasi konti na lang. Okay, this is my favorite perfume ever. I always use this. It's my third perfume na. Yung dalawa na ubos na. So this is my evidence. Paris. Ito keychain. You are an angel. Aww! Kung sa ending, hindi pala yun ako. Yawa. Hindi pala ito para sa ako. Okay, last but not the least is this one. Shein. Wow. Oh, it's a pin for my ear. For my ears. For my earrings. Ah, yes! Yung butterfly. Ganito. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my god. Yes, thank you. So yeah, that's it. So thank you again to my mom for giving this gift. Ang messy na dito. So yeah. So thank you, mom, for giving me this gift. And thank you guys for watching. This is the end of my video. And comment down below if you want to see more videos of me. And if you want to see more videos of me, comment down below what's your idea for my next video. And you should comment down below if I should make up myself. If you want to see me do makeup. And yeah. And see you on my next video, like trying out this products. Weird products that I don't know. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. And don't forget to subscribe down below and click the bell button to get notified when every time I post a new video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, bye! Thank you for watching again, and stay safe, all of you.